Holy Cross is well known for its quality education which emphasizes on education of hearts and minds. At present, the province of Northeast India is catering to more than 15,000 students in 12 different schools. As per the need of the hour and responding to the sincere requests from deserving public for quality higher education in the state of Tripura, Holy Cross ventured into the field of higher education with the establishment of a new Holy Cross College. This difficult task of starting a new college was entrusted to Reverend Father Emmanuel Kalarakal, CSC, as its first principal.
Holy Cross College is situated at Agartala, a fast-growing capital town in the state of Tripura, India.
It was established in 2009 with its motto, Holistic Education for Human Advancement. It is owned and managed by the Fathers of Holy Cross, Northeast Province of India. It is affiliated with Tripura University, which is also a central university under the University Grants Commission.
I joined Holy Cross because this is the first English medium college in Tripura. So we feel that this college is going to be one of the best in Tripura and in the world.
The main objective of establishing Holy Cross College is to provide quality and standard English medium Catholic higher education to the students graduating from our +2 schools. The aim is to ensure that the students are given an opportunity to pursue higher education within the state and thus to produce more professionals and good citizens from our institutions. This would help them to build a better future and earn their livelihood.
Be your best, be a good student, and do something in life. Thank you.
Thank you. Holy Cross College, Agartala is the first Catholic English medium college in the state of Tripura, which is co-educational. Admissions are open to all, irrespective of caste, class, sex and religion. The students comprise of various ethnic groups, both tribal and non-tribal. The college does not only focus on the academic performance of the students, but also the all-round development of the students.
The college enforces a standard and strict discipline. At the same time, it gives lots of respect and freedom to each individual. It provides a clean and friendly natural campus which helps them to think positive and concentrate in their academic performance and coming out with flying colors in their university examinations.
Holy Cross College began with 2 departments, that is, Bachelor of Arts BA in English Literature with Sociology and Political Science as electives, and BCA with a total of 56 students in 2009. And today we have 4 departments, BA, BSc, BCA and BBA with total student strength of 335 altogether. We also have 24 well qualified and dedicated teaching faculty in the college.
to welcome each of you to the valedictory function of the educative experience of the seminar on teaching learning of the history of Indian English literature.
National and international seminars are organized on different topics to create an opportunity for the students to participate and interact with many scholars.
Basically, Ramayana was written in English.
Ramayana is not written in English, it is translated to English.
Today is the beginning of another new batch of students at Holy Cross College. We have assembled here in order to welcome the freshers to the college.
Freshers' Day and farewell functions are organized to express our love and concern to the incoming and outgoing students every year. These functions give opportunities to the students to bring out their wonderful talents and to give expression to their beautiful culture and traditions.
The college also brings out regularly a newsletter called Jyotirgamaya, which means Lead Us to the Light, and the annual college magazine with the same name, which serve as a platform for the students to give expression to their ideas and thoughts.
I would like to congratulate you, Holy Cross College, for organizing this kind of program for book release.
The college also provides good transport facilities to the students who come from faraway places. One of the main objectives of the college is to instill in the minds of young students the spirit of service.
They are teaching us to be positive always, how to be friendly with others, how to help others.
For this, students are also given an opportunity for community service where they serve the people of the neighborhood who are less privileged.
The college kept up excellence in academic performance from the beginning till today. As a result, the students are shining, holding ranks at the university level, which is very encouraging.
We want you to come out in flying colors and maybe keep up the good tradition that has already been set by the BCA students, like topping in the university and getting many ranks in the university.
Some students who participated in different competitions held under Tripura University bagged prizes which brought good name and fame to the college.
In spite of many difficulties and hurdles, Holy Cross College has grown by leaps and bounds. However, it has to face many more challenges if it has to grow into a mighty institution. Some of the challenges ahead are: so far, it is situated at Holy Cross School campus and there are many practical difficulties.
This is a temporary arrangement here in the campus of Holy Cross School, but we hope in the very near future, within the next 2 to 3 years, we will be able to move to the new campus of the college.
The new college building, which is under construction in the new campus, will solve this problem to some extent, but it will take a few more years to complete the building work of the new campus due to financial constraints. Since the new college campus is far away from the town, good transport facilities for the staff and the students is necessary.
We also need staff quarters to accommodate some teaching and non-teaching staff with basic facilities. We want to impart quality education, and for this we need well-qualified teaching faculty. The real challenge is to pay them an attractive salary in par with the UGC pay scales, since our income is limited. People have high expectations from our institution. To be able to keep up with these expectations is a real challenge that we face day by day.
However, Holy Cross persons are persons of hope, trusting in divine providence, devotedly serving the people of God with limited resources and capabilities. Whatever we do it for the glory of God. When we work for God, God will find some ways and means to support those who work for Him and make their efforts fruitful. We move forward giving our best with the vision and mission of this fledgling Holy Cross College, and we trust that God will do the rest. God bless Holy Cross College.